Hey guys, what is up and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk to you about the new dark mode option you have on Android phones and how to set that up. I already did a video on how to do that for Windows, but now we want to look at Android phones. So first thing you need to do is go to Google Play Store and make sure your Google Chrome has the latest version. Just go to Google Chrome and update it if necessary, so you get it to version 74. Once this is done, simply open Google Chrome, then go to the bar, to the URL bar, and then write Chrome --flags. Hit enter. This will get you to the Experiments tab in Google Chrome. Just search in there for dark, and you have two options here. What you need to do is you need to enable Android Chrome UI dark mode, set it from default to enabled. Then you need to relaunch your Google Chrome. This most likely won't be sufficient. You will actually need to close Google Chrome from the previously used apps in order to make sure this is completely closed. So let's open it up again. Now go to the three dots, then click on Settings, and you should have in there dark mode. Go in there, turn it on, and there you have it. Google is now in dark mode. Hope you found this video helpful for you guys, and if it was, just hit a subscribe and a like button.